Hey, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars in Greeley, Colorado. Just doing a quick walk around and startup on our 1971 Datsun 510. As you can see here, it's been swapped over with an SR20DET motor. We did a complete paint job front to back, new wheels and tires, new suspension brakes, and new interior. Looking down the side of the body, nice and straight. Panel gaps are good. Some nice pinstriping detail. Probably one of my favorite parts on the whole car is these S Bluebird taillights. Trying to find a set of those is really hard these days. And I think they really make the back end of the car just as interesting as the front. Again, same thing on this side. Nice and straight down the side. Love the fender flares on it. New Falcon tires and Koenig wheels. Good tread on them. Late model leather interior, bucket seats up front, full seat there in the rear, custom center console, aftermarket gauges and steering wheel, pretty much stock door panels, headliner's in nice shape. We disassembled the whole car, everything's been painted including the door jambs. All the way around. This car's completely rust-free. Everything shuts really nicely. Gaps line up nice. Let's go ahead and fire it up real quick. Sounds the part. Fifth gear, about 2,500 RPM at how fast are we going, Mon?
It says 70, it's a little bit off.
Speedometer's a little off. We're probably closer to 60 miles an hour at about 2,500 RPM in fifth. Honestly, even driving down this really kind of rough road, the car rides nicely. There's no tire rub, no bottoming out, nothing like that. Drives nice and straight. This is something you could take on a road trip if you really wanted. Really awesome, wow. Stop's good.